August 1989. It's been almost 50 years since the Soviet Union's occupation of the Baltic states. Mass deportations, massacre, and decades of living under suppression have led Latvians, Lithuanians, and Estonians to do something unimaginable. To express their shared passion for freedom, more than 2 million people from all three Baltic countries stood hand in hand, forming a human chain that stretched over 600 kilometers. This courageous act played a significant role in the movement that later led to the independence of the Baltic states. To commemorate the 25th anniversary of the Baltic Way, we created a Facebook app that lets you discover interesting facts about it while competing with your friends. Using more than 18,000 images from Google Street View, we recreated the path of the Baltic Way in a hyperlapse. The result was breathtaking. By scrolling down, you could now travel through cities and countryside of the Baltic states and try to beat your friends to the finish line. Throughout the journey, you were informed about your location on the map, as well as presented with facts corresponding to the distance you'd reached, like the height of Mount Everest or altitude of the International Space Station. When you reached certain parts of the way, you were given a more in-depth look into why the Baltic Way was organized and how it influenced the following historical events. Completing the journey was not an easy task, but that didn't stop 193 people from doing that. Together, more than 1,500 people used the application, traveling a total distance of 245,000 kilometers. That's as much as 6 times around the world, and more than halfway from the Earth to the Moon. Posts about the application were shared 5,800 times and reached more than 422,000 people. Most importantly, these people were all reminded that no matter the circumstances, when we people unite, we have the power to take the future in our hands. Together, we have the power to fight for our freedom.